Namaskar. Today we will be doing the 12 steps to create a language rich environment. We have already discussed on this one that we can play a word web or games with any word. Okay. So during indoor recess, students enjoy board games like Scribble, Boogly, Baldersh, Spell Up, and even old standbys like Hangman and Pictionary. When words become play, the students eat them up. Means these are the names of the games which they can play in the board in the schools. Okay, many schools have this type of games for the children to increase their word vocabulary. Okay, so when they start enjoying these word games, they keep on playing this type of and they don't think that we are learning spellings. Now they enjoy the games. They started enjoying the games now. Okay, so student become very confident, and this becomes a cup of tea for them. And this type of words they eat very easily, means they grab very easily. Okay, now next is find new ways to say old things. Again we are reinventing or re-enumerating the things again and again. Each week we choose a word that is overused, and we challenge our third graders to think of synonyms that could be used instead to spice up their writing. They love adding their spicy words to the chart paper as they think of them or encounter them in their reading. Now, when we are saying way to say old things, means whatever they had learned, means maybe in the last month or before last month or before last month. So we need to reuse those things, otherwise again they will forget. So every month they are learning something new, but if we don't add up the old ones and use it, the students will forget the old one and learn the new one only. Okay, so now is the step where we are using the old ones also, and this experiment we are doing with the third graders. Okay, so each week whatever we have chosen the word, we again reuse it. Okay, overuse it. Okay, and we challenge our third graders to think synonyms of that, meaning of the same word. Okay, same word having this different meaning, or different meaning different word having the same meaning. Okay, we now promote the children to say the meaning will be same, the word will be different now. Okay, so the third graders think of synonyms that could be used instead of spice up. What they can use, what word they can think of, they will do. Okay, spice up, they can say eat up. Okay, they're in their writing now. What they will be writing instead of spice up, what they will be writing for that. They love adding these spicy words now. Suppose they have used some word and the meaning of the same word having different, the meaning will be same and the word will be different now. Okay, so that word they will be using in their chart papers now. Okay, again they will be writing those words in the chart paper, word having same meaning with different words. Now they can think of and encounter them in their reading also. Now they can use their word in the reading also. The same word they can get in different chapters also, or they can add up their words in place of those words to read. Even while they are reading, they can change the word and use their own meaning to that word. That is also a very good game for the students to think, keep on thinking, brainstorming. They can do their brainstorming, they can work on their brain. So the more they will use, the more they will be facing the challenges and they will overcome it very nicely. Thank you for this much today.